Okay, so in this question we've got two particles, P and Q, with P along on a table, a smooth table, so no friction, and Q hanging over the edge, them connected by a pulley. So the first thing to do in this question is to put on our relevant forces. So we've got the tension acting up the string there, and our weight acting there. Similarly here, it may not be relevant for this question but will be in other questions. The weight is acting there and the tension again is acting into the string there. Okay, again not relevant to this question, but we've obviously got a reaction force acting upwards. Okay, so we're being asked to show that the acceleration So therefore, to do this, we need to resolve for the forces for both P and Q. So firstly for P, okay, the other thing I haven't put on there is the acceleration. So for P, we're going to resolve going that way because that's the direction of the acceleration. Okay. So here, force equals mass times acceleration. Well, the force is the only force we've got here is the tension. Okay, we've got nothing opposing that, and that is equal to 0.80 A. Okay, now for Q, which is slightly more complicated because it's vertical, which we're used to doing that. So resolving, again we're going to resolve downwards because that's the direction of the acceleration. Okay, so resolving downwards, we've got 0.6 A and we've got the forces 0.6 G minus the tension. Okay. So in this question, since we've asked for acceleration, we want to eliminate the tension from here. Okay, so therefore, if we call that 1, that 2, we can sub 1 into 2, and we've got 0.6 G minus 0.8 A is equal to 0.6 A. Therefore 0.6 G is equal to 1.4 A. Therefore A is 0.6 G over 1.4 is equal to 0.6 times 9.8 over 1.4. Which is equal to 21 over 5 or 4.2 meters per second, and that is part A completed.